my SCCM server. Okay, so what we are going to do is we will talk on how can implement in the real world. What are the server roles or the systems we can implement in a your based. Okay, for example, you have okay, one second. Yeah. Okay, so exactly we have a site. Okay, structure right. So now it is a cache site. Okay, it will report. It can have a primary sites. Okay, so the primary sites will have the secondary site. This is structure. You cannot report secondary site to a cache site directly. This is not possible. So you must to have a, a primary site in between. As free in terms of a licensing point of okay site, which will help us to get the complete reports and everything. Okay. So when you're doing performing exchanges, you would be doing from the cache site, right? Instead of the primary site. Okay. That's of the tricky part. And for example, you have often years, okay, which maybe 5,000 users count, okay. Similarly, you have another office, maybe in some part of corner in the world, okay. Say example Dubai, okay. So how do implement this kind of a solution? So for example, if you think that this is your head office and all the condition exists and the count is more, okay, and the network design also everything comes here and then transfers to every other location. In that case, you can go here a primary site, okay. Start with the primary site. Remaining locations you can go for either secondary site or just distribution part. So question comes, when do you go for secondary and DP? So with the 21 now, you have an option to schedule what kind of configuration should go, what package should go at what time. Also can be scheduled with the DP also. So you can use the one which you wanted. Okay, you can set your configuration as you know you go primary single site example. Okay, here the remaining sites can wherever you have locations. Okay, you can either go for a secondary or it is distribution point. Say what happens is you wanted to have here some rules also. In that situation, you will go second. Okay, like management point is required here. Okay, that's a proxy management, or maybe uh, other features you want to use it, like software update point, all those things. Then it's better to go for uh, this side. Okay, in that case, uh, required to have a full license, definitely. Apart from that, everything is okay. Okay, there's no license from the site. Only you have to pay for the primary site license. Okay.
Okay.
The you have very small site. This one, okay, where you have only 50 users. Then what kind of rules you can go for? You can simply go for just instead of secondary site, you can go for only distribution point. So the clients can get and also you can implement here branch caching, which is the feature of Windows 2008 or 2009. Uh, so the clients can cache the DP packages, and within the clients can share with each other, something like that. You can do it. Okay. Blog post which explains what are the roles can be implemented where. For example, here the secondary site supports only these roles: DB, MP, site database, site server, site system, and SMP. Okay, so if you want to have definitely SMP, then you can go for this option. Okay, and so but many roles are you cannot enable because these are dedicated to a primary site. Okay. This is more into the troubleshooting sense. So you can view these messages, set messages. This would give you a lot of information. For example, some rock here simply is not detected here. You can troubleshoot based on the errors or the components wise. This we already talked about in the past. Okay. And for troubleshooting, what you can do is you can look at if something is in red or yellow, you can have a status messages from here. It is monitoring. So if you look at here, MP control has some problem. So let's go to what is the status. So everything is in green. That means information. That means it's okay. So in the past it has a problem. So maybe you should look at the box. Okay, maybe 2 weeks back. Okay, in that case, still okay. So it was as bad what we seeing now. In that case, you can reset the count. This gets green. Okay, in a minute, and then you can, you will get the real means the correct status of the steps you can see green or still have a problem. Alright. And also have here uh, in the illustration you can see if you have multiple sites, you will say hiding that under monitoring. So okay. So draw that diagram. If this is standalone site, so if I have another site, it will refer to that site. Okay, and if I connect to that site, you can simply say connect it. Okay,